Hello, Miss.
Hello.
I think you came from UK, and this is 4 days after your surgery. We performed a vaginal tightening surgery with you at our clinic. So we would like to share with other patients your opinions, your experience in Turkey. So if you don't mind, I will have a few questions about the procedure.
Okay.
First of all, I would like to ask you, how did you find our clinic? Was it by referral, or how did you reach us first?
I did some research through the internet. I was looking for a female doctor to perform the procedure, and I found you. And then I looked at your website, spoke to your PA, and I just had a good feeling about everything.
Yeah, thank you. And I think we also had an online video consultation before you arrived. Did we have? No, we did not. With some patients, when they have a chance, we try to make an online consultation, so if they have any questions. But I think you were in interaction with my personal assistant, Gaia, so that she tried to answer your questions. What happened after your arrival in Turkey? So can you share your experience when you first arrived?
Sorry, everything was fantastic from the moment I arrived. The gentleman that picked me up took me to the hotel. He was really friendly, made me feel comfortable, introduced me to the people at the hotel. The hotel is fantastic.
Glad to hear that.
They were really nice to me. The second day or the first day after the procedure, I couldn't walk about, and they brought me my food to my room. They couldn't do enough for me. The same at the clinic. Everybody made me feel so relaxed. I was nervous, and everyone made me feel so relaxed.
Thank you.
It's been fantastic.
Thank you. It is so nice to hear that you were happy with all the services. How would you describe your pain after surgery, and how long did it last, or was it enough to take painkillers?
I wouldn't say it was painful, just very uncomfortable in my buttock, but it was a pain that is bearable. I'm not screaming, it's just uncomfortable. So I have to find a position to lie down in or sit down, but no more than maybe 5 out of 10, but it comes and goes.
5 out of 10 coming and
it's,
going. Okay.
It's fine.
So you were taking painkillers, and you had some rest at the hotel after the surgery, and
I was walking immediately.
You were walking. You went to the hotel walking, and then you had your last control today because you are flying back home tomorrow, 5 days after your surgery, so would you recommend to other people, to have such surgery, or would you have any?
With you, yes, 100%.
Thank you so much. And if there is anything else you would like to add, maybe about the surgery, or any questions I cannot remember now that are frequently asked by the patients, what to take care of, especially after surgery, or if there's anything else you would like to add, please you can tell them.
I would say don't hesitate to come to see you.
Thank you.
You explain everything. There's so much attention to detail, and I haven't worried about anything since I've been here. I felt so relaxed. It's like being at home, so I wouldn't hesitate.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy. We are all so happy to hear that you were satisfied with your experience here, and we are so glad that we have been able to make you feel at home. We hope to see you maybe in the future. If you have any questions online, or even if you come back to Turkey, we'll be very glad to see you here. Have a nice trip back home. It was so nice to meet you, and thank you for your time for this interview.
No problem. Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.